All right, take a look at the SEYVUM Brushless Oscillating tool. So we got our instructions. I do like that it actually comes with a bag. Cool. It's always nice to have something we can keep this all contained. Wow, I like that foam packaging in there. And this is actually really nice. So they gave us a whole bunch of different styles of cutting tools. So that way you can get started with this thing right away. So we got a 34mm wooden plastic blade. We got a 20mm wooden plastic blade. We got a long toothless blade. These can actually be really good if you're trying to remove caulk or anything like that. We got another 34 wooden plastic blade. Now these are great. These are actually for cutting ceramics. So if you got to remove grout from around a toilet or something like that, this will be great for that. These are actually kind of expensive. It's very nice that they included that with this kit. We got a hook and loop holder. So this just got Velcro in the back, and that is for holding all of this sandpaper. So we got, looks like 60 grit, and we got a handful of different grits. So we got 120, 80, can't tell what that one is. Oh, 60. So we got a nice variety of different sandpaper. And then we got a round sawtooth blade. So plenty of blades with this kit. We got our battery. It actually comes fully charged, which is nice, and it actually has 4 bars. Most of these things only have 3, so this could give you a little bit more accurate information. That's actually kind of cool. It is a clip release style, and it is a 2 amp hour battery, 20 volt. Now this is something that you don't normally see with oscillating tools. This actually has a off handle on it. And that could be great if you're trying to do precision work or if you're just trying to take some load off your other hand. So that's actually kind of cool. We got a charger for the battery, and it says it's 100 to 240 volts. That's good for international or domestic. And it is 1 amp at 21.5 volts. And here is the tool. So we have a nice rubber grip on here. I actually really like that texture. That is very cool. I also like that it doesn't have a trigger down here. It just has a switch, so you can just turn it on or off. It is variable speed, so you got between 1 and 6. And this is a quick release style chuck, which is awesome. I love oscillating tools that are like that. It just makes changing out those blades so much easier. Now, it looks like it is threaded on both sides. So if you want to put this handle on, you can put it on either way that you want, or you just leave it off. It really just depends on what you like. I do like that they included it. It's a very neat little thing. You don't really only see these on like grinders or heavy-duty drills. It is possible that could get in the way, but you know, usually just untwist it. I'm going to try to leave it on though and just see how I like it. And this is one very important thing. This is brushless, which means that the motor itself is going to last longer. It's going to have more power, and the battery is going to last longer. The only types of tools that I really want are the brushless, so I'm very glad that this came in brushless. And this is actually kind of interesting. So when I release this chuck, the end on here is actually adjustable, so you can really dial in the tension that you're going to be getting on that saw blade. It's pretty cool. Now we can't see because of that pin pattern, because of the pattern we got on here. If we want to, we can drop that in so that it is straight out like that. We can put it to the side. So if it's more comfortable for us to be dealing with the project to the side, we can do that. Or we could even put it at a 45-degree angle. So that way if you're working in tight quarters, you're always going to have an option. So that's nice. If I really wanted to kick that up, super quick. So yeah, that is a very nice tool.